Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently change video quality resolution on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. If you're not signed in already, make sure to log into your account to access all the settings you'll need. Step 2. Now, locate the profile picture or a placeholder icon and tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings symbol at the top right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now, scroll down to locate the video quality preferences option and tap on it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select higher picture quality under the video quality on mobile networks, then choose higher picture quality under the video quality on Wi-Fi to permanently change the video quality resolution on YouTube instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.